In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Dolphin Emulator Dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type System Info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Simply search for Visual C Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option, which is the latest version. Scroll down and you can find a download link depending on the architecture of your Windows. So click on the download link corresponding to that and click on the folder icon. And then double click on the setup file. And if you haven't installed this, just simply click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. Or if you have already this in your Windows, just simply click on repair. Now once done, just click on close and then close the remaining windows and then restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Also consider to update your Windows by clicking on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for, download, and install the latest updates on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.